ZANU-PF leader Emerson Mnangagwa on Wednesday publicly appealed for unity within his party, a move widely seen as an acknowledgement of deepening divisions, factionalism, and growing resistance among senior members. Sarabina mashoko buda pangwa ino since Mnangagwa pleads for unity, ZANU-PF battles internal turmoil ndo subscribe wala ikotomba bele kon. Tibina munawuzizere mu zimbabwe chiti addressing the 388th organization of the ZANU-PF Politburo at the party's headquarters in Harare. Mnangagwa urged party structures to stop gatekeeping and allow new members to join, signaling rising internal tensions ahead of the 2028 elections. In quotes, ZANU-PF must accommodate new members, he said. Let us not put ourselves and individuals above the party. Our activities must be guided by the constitutions of the party. His remarks come amid complaints that long-serving elites are blocking new events to protect their influence, creating friction within the party. Mnangagwa wanted the Politburo to take responsibility and restore discipline, saying, "The Politburo must provide bold guidance for the party. Let us remain disciplined and never put the party's name into disrepute." Analysts say the unusually strong language reflects growing instability within ZANU-PF, where power struggles and mistrust continue to overshadow government business. Mnangagwa also repeated his claim that unnamed enemies were working to destabilize the country. "I challenge the nation to continue to be vigilant, safeguarding against any machination by our enemies," he said. A statement critics often dismiss as a tactic to deflect from domestic problems. The president went on to push his long-standing vision for Zimbabwe to become an upper middle income economy by 2030, despite widespread doubt from citizens struggling with the rising prices, low wages, and deteriorating public services. "Let us turn Zimbabwe to an upper middle income economy by 2030. The duty is ours," he said. Mnangagwa added that sectors such as manufacturing, tourism, commodity exports, and diaspora remittances were giving a positive balance on the current account. However, the optimistic rhetoric did little to mask the underlying message of the day. ZANU-PF is grappling with the serious internal turmoil and its leader is now openly pleading for order. Tomashkwari kuda pangwaine tudze mafunguro enyu kudipa msoro pechitiko ichi. Pida comment section medu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.